Let's start by finding a relaxed, comfortable position, whether you're lying down on a bed or sitting comfortably in a chair. Just elevate your legs slightly and make sure your head is supported. You may drift off to sleep, but your subconscious mind will be listening to everything that I have to say. Make sure for the next 20 to 25 minutes you'll be uninterrupted, and that you're not operating machinery or driving while listening to this recording. Take a deep breath in, if you can, breathing in through your nose, and then breathing out, focusing on your breath, filling your lungs up with air, and exhaling completely all the air from your lungs. Just focusing on your breath, breathing in relaxation, and then breathing out any tension you may have in your body. Breathing in, filling your lungs up with air, and breathing out. In and out. In and out. Just gradually allowing your breath to slow down and deepen as you begin your relaxation. And naturally, as you deepen your breath, you release more oxygen to your brain, which has an effect of relaxing both your mind and your body. Just focusing on your breath, breathing in relaxation, and breathing out any tension in your body, and just letting go completely, just surrendering to the moment. Nothing else is important right now. Then you allow yourself, this time you've set aside, to go deep in relaxation, whichever way you choose, as there's no wrong or right way to relax in this point in time, only your way. So focus on your breathing, breathing in relaxation, and then breathe out, breathing out any tension in your body, in and out, in and out. And gradually, as you begin to relax, letting any emotions or thoughts come up and just letting them go, just releasing them and bringing your attention back to the sound of my voice and back to your gentle breathing. And I would like you to focus on the muscles that you have in your face, around your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, your neck, and your shoulders. And just tighten these muscles, gathering any tension, any worries, any anxieties, any uncertainties. Just gather it all up in those muscles, clenching your teeth together, squinting your eyes, bringing your shoulders to your ears, gathering any tension you may have in your face, tighter and tighter and tighter, clenching those teeth together as tight as you can get them, tighter and tighter and tighter, and then releasing those muscles, allowing your head to sink deeper and deeper into the chair or bed. Just letting go, allowing your shoulders to drop down and relax around your collarbone, widening and relaxing, your eyes relaxing, your mouth parting slightly and relaxing. As you begin to go deeper and deeper into your internal mind, this place where answers to any questions that you may have will be instinctively there. This place of peace, this place of tranquility. And as your head sinks deeper and deeper into the chair or bed. I want you to pay specific attention to the muscles you have in the top of your body. Your arms, your chest, your stomach, your back, your hands and your fingers. And just tighten all of these muscles, gathering any tension at all that you have in your body. Any worries, anything that's bothered you from today, from the week, anything at all, just gather it all up in those muscles. Clenching your hands into a fist, tightening those muscles in your stomach, in your back, tighter and tighter and tighter. As tight as you can get those muscles, tighter and tighter and tighter. And then releasing those muscles, just allowing any tension to just recede, just fade away like a wisp of smoke in a gentle breeze, just fading away, dissolving completely, just letting go and surrendering to this present moment. Nothing that happened before this moment or after this moment is important. All that's important is that you allow yourself to drift off to this serene, hypnotic state. This state of deep relaxation where you completely let go. Let go of any worries. Let go of any fears, any uncertainties. Just completely let it go. And surrender to the feeling of peace. And as you allow yourself to drift off, I'd like you to pay specific attention to the muscles that you have in your legs, your thighs, your calves, your feet, your toes, and just gather any tension at all that you have in your legs, tightening those muscles as tight as you can get them. Tightening those muscles, gathering any tension at all, any feelings of resentment, any feelings of anger, any feelings of guilt. Just gather it all up in those muscles, tightening those muscles, curling your toes over, tightening those muscles as tight as you can get them, tighter and tighter and tighter. And as you gather up all that tension, I want you to just exhale, and as you're exhaling, just release the tension, releasing those muscles, just allowing your toes to spread out and relax, your legs becoming heavier and relaxed, sinking deeper and deeper into the chair or bed. Just letting go completely, allowing the blanket of relaxation to wash over you. Just quietly while your eyes are closed shut. Maybe allowing yourself to drift off and dream while your subconscious mind may be listening to every word I have to say that will benefit you in finding that place of inner peace, that place of tranquility. And as you allow yourself to go deeper into this relaxation, perhaps you can scan your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, scanning it for any other area that you may have tension. And just focus on that area. Focus on that area and just imagine any remaining tension to just dissolve completely, like a piece of ice in your hand on a hot summer's day, just dissolving away, receding into nothingness as your mind goes completely blank, just floating along however you choose into this serene place of inner peace.